Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add products to different pages in Shopify. For example, I'm on my Shopify store. You can see test page 1. I have this featured collection and I also have an image slider. Now for test page 2, you can see that I have this product added and I have the featured collection at the bottom. So I'll be showing you how to customize and add different product pages to your Shopify store in no time. All you'll need to do once you're on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you're going to select online store. After selecting online store, I want you to tap on customize. Once you have selected customize, you'll be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you're going to select home page at the top. Then from there, you're going to hover over pages and you're going to select pages. Typically with Shopify, once you have selected pages, it is going to go onto the default page. What I want you to do is create a template. So you're going to tap on create template. And for example, let's say you're creating a template to display your t-shirts or to display digital products or any particular product. You would add in the product name right here. So for example, I'm just going to be calling this test product page. So I'll type in that right there. So you want to give it a name that you can remember. Then you're going to tap on create template. After selecting create template, from here you can start customizing your template. So you'll go over to the left hand menu option right below template, and from here you can either select right where you see page, and you could remove the page name if you want. By tapping on the eye icon, you could hide that. Then you could tap on add section. And for example, you could select featured product. After selecting featured product, from here you could add the product that you would like to display. So I could tap on select product in the top left hand corner. And then let's say for example, the product that I would like to display is this one. Then tap on select. After you have done that, if it is a case that you'd like to also display a collection, you could do that by tapping on add section. From here you could select featured collection and you could add a collection. And don't worry, the collection that you'll be adding on this page won't be displayed on another page. So you can choose which page you like your collection to display on. So we'll tap on select collection, and I'm just going to be selecting this first collection right here. Then we'll tap on save, then tap on save in the top right hand corner. So now you have created your first product page. Now to create a second product page, you'll tap on test product page at the top right here. And again, you're going to select pages. Then you're going to tap on create template. And you're going to give the other page the product name. For example's sake, let's say for this page, you're going to be displaying digital products. So you could type in digital products page. So you could do that right here. Then you're going to tap on create template once more. After selecting create template, again, I would hide the page name, then tap on add section. Then you could select featured product, and then you'll tap on select product in the top left hand corner. And I'm going to be displaying this product for example's sake. Then we'll tap on select. And for this page, I'm just going to be displaying the product only. So I'll leave this as is. Then we'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. So now I've created two custom product pages. All we'll need to do is tap on exit in the top left hand corner. Once you have done that, you're going to select pages from the drop down menu option on the left hand corner. After selecting pages, from here you could tap on add page. After selecting add page, you could give the page a name. So as I said earlier, you would name the template pages based on the products that you'd like to add. So you could give the title of these pages the product name. So I'm going to give one by the name of digital products. So I'll do that right here. So I'll type in digital products. After doing that, you're going to tap right where you see theme template right below online store. And I'm just going to type in digital products page. Then we'll tap on save. Now that I've saved it, if we were to tap on view page, you'll realize that it is displaying the digital product. And that's how you'll be able to create your own custom pages with numerous products or a product page for each product. And if we were to go back into Shopify, if it is a case that you would like to add this particular page to your navigation bar, you could select navigation. Then from there, you could select main menu. After selecting main menu, you can tap on add menu item. Then we could type in digital product. So we can type that in right here. So let me do that real quick. After you have added it, you're going to tap on search. Then from there, I could select pages. Then we'll select digital products and we'll tap on add. Then from here you can move it up. So I would like it to be above catalog. I want it to be right there. And I'm going to tap on save menu. Now that you have saved the menu, if you were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on view your online store, you can see it has been added right here. And if I were to select it, you can see how the page looks. So not only have I shown you how to create individual product pages, but I've also shown you how to add it to your menu or your navigation bar. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.